Hi, I'm Morgan from Sunday Pots Point. Today I'm going to be preparing for you a traditional French Polynesian dish called poisson cru. It's quite similar to a ceviche. This dish will be beautifully paired with a tropical ice cream. I used to go to Tahiti to visit my grandmother in my early childhood. We'd spend every holiday there. The flavoured profiles that I'm using for my Tahitian ceviche are ones that I have a very fond memory of. I find the green pepper it grows more abundantly in the islands. Cucumber. My aunties like it really chunky. I'm a bit more of a refined man. Spanish onion. They just add like a really nice textural crunch. These are ox heart tomatoes. Don't be afraid if your tomatoes overripe, because it can be used as an emulsifier in the dish when it marries with the lime juice and the fish. I'll be using a locally sourced baby snapper, but if you're in Tahiti, you'd probably be eating some mahi-mahi or some fresh tuna. I always prefer using whole fish. It smells like the ocean, and you know where the actual fish has come from. We're just gonna do a real rustic dice. And there we have it, our fish for our ceviche. I'm now gonna cure our fish with fresh lime, and we're marinating it now with the lime juice for 3 to 4 minutes. If you're having a party, you can make this up to like 30 minutes before and let it sit and let it really develop its flavors. So a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And now I start adding my vegetables, some green shallots, and then some dill, basically tear it, really rustic. And then the coconut will help bind it all together. It just gives it a little bit of richness, and also taste of the islands, you know. Final presentation of this dish basically entails our crisp taro chips, ceviche, a nice little ice bed, olive oil and some dill. You have the acidity, you have the richness of the coconut cream, but then you have that white chocolate and passion fruit swirl. That's an incredible balance. Actually, let me do that again.